Okay, so I purchased the item on eBay. This is the item number 332580491219. Then item name model is tec1-12709. The characteristics official for this module should be like this: 15.2 volts maximum, 9 amps at this voltage. Here is the module that I received. Let me see. So like right away from the very beginning we can see that these two letters TE and number 9 are different by the color. So it's kind of like it's just different. The stuff in the middle is kind of like dark black, just black. This one is grayish and these two grayish. So I started to have a feeling that this one was originally not 9, something like 6 or maybe even 5. So what I did, I took apart my old freezer and decided like to change it. The peltier module to get some extra power from this stuff. This is the original one that I had. Original was something like a... Okay, so it's 12706 byte. So I was going to get more power. So I have a little bit thermal paste over here. I have a copper radiator over here. This is the one that I purchased. This is the one that, you know, the main question is about. eBay item. So I put it like this. Not very efficient, but enough for the test. And here we have the power supply. So it's set for 15 volts. And not even close. It starts at 5 and drops pretty fast, but it drops just because, you know, not enough contact. But even if I press on it, still about like 4 amps, 4.5 amps. That doesn't make any big difference, you know. Okay, so this is what we got on practice. This is what we should have, about 9 amps. 8 amps, 7 amps, but not 4 amps. Okay. So now I'm gonna turn it off. Now I'm gonna replace with the old, weaker module. Okay. This is the new one. I do believe it's counterfeit, fake one. That one has this part, the back part gets hot, this gets cold with this coloring. This one is opposite, the face part goes hot and this part goes cold. So I'm gonna connect this one. This one. So we start a weaker module, and weaker module will show us somehow higher amps, and if I'm gonna like press on it a little bit, the cooling will be slightly more efficient, and we can clearly see that it's like 4.5 amps, 60 watts or something like that. No. So that one that I just received from this eBay seller is fake, counterfeit. And I took apart all my appliances just to get it done working, but I found that it's fake. So that's the video.